We got a couple of things here. Yeah, we do. Got ourselves a chair. Let's get us a chair. I already had that stuff in there, so we're not starting empty, but I'm gonna continue to get some stuff. Let me get the clippers. There we go. We got ourselves a cord. Early morning cord. Beautiful thing. Come on. There you go. Cord number 1 for the day. Chair. And my magnet's gone again. Okay, I'm gonna have to drill one of the magnets onto the bed when I do it. I need to do this brand new again, so okay. What do we have here? Nope. That's it. Let's move on down the road. Broom. Is it a broom? Broom mop. Doesn't matter. It's coming with us. And we got just the spot for it. Right in there. I felt something fall on my head. Look. Alright, let's roll. Shut the fan. Let's pick up the fan. Let's grab the fan. The cord and grab the fan. Let's keep on rolling. Let's continue. Shows another chair. Rocking chair. Does it close? Tell me it closes. Has tie wraps on it. I guess it doesn't close. Alright, but we gotta fix this real quick. So give me a few minutes. Alright, well, after much trial and error, plenty of it, man, I say, we got it to close. All right, so let's see where we can pack it up. Should be able to go right here with no problems. There we go. And we'll keep that open just to put stuff in there. There we go. Let's go. Let's get out of here. All right, I think we got a couple of curtains here. Yes, we do. Let's grab ourselves a couple of curtains. Oh my goodness. That's fiberglass. Let me get a knife. Yeah, we can't take all that PVC. There's no way. That's way too much plastic. Alright, so we'll get them in Betty. We got this. Like I said, I couldn't take all that plastic. I don't want any issues. Alright. So let's roll. Let's keep on going. Let's put this back in case we need it. Let's roll. All right, we got ourselves a freezer. Let's grab the freezer. Cord, where is the cord? Oh, way up here. All right. Oops. There we go. We'll leave it right there. Now let's go. We got ourselves a vacuum. Let's get the vacuum. Come on. We're on Main Street. We can't play around. Bah! It's in there. Let's go. Let's go. We have just drove by a jack. A jack of all trades. Let's just keep that right there. Anything in there? No. Oh, Jesus. We'll fix all that in a little bit, but we gotta keep going. We gotta get out of this area. All right, we got ourselves a washer. No, dryer. Let's get us a dryer. Let's get that real quick. Let's get her in here. There we go. All right. Oof. Something stinks. Let's get the little freezer in here. What's it gonna fit in here? Oh, no. Let's see if we can put this the other way. Then we just said we couldn't spend too much time in here. Why are you giving me such a hard time? Oh. All right, we're gonna leave it like that. We'll tie it down. All right, we got ourselves a beach chair that's retiring. Or retired. A retired beach chair. Let's put it in here. There we go. What do we have here? Air pump. It might have a motor in it. Yep, let's keep it. It won't bother us here. There we go. All right. And away we go. Let's go. Come on. Let's get us some stuff. A knee scooter. Yeah, it's one of those knee scooters. Where we're gonna put this knee scooter at? I'm gonna put it right back here. No, everything is stuck on it. There we go. No, I'm not gonna take the chair. No, usually I do, but no, I'm not gonna take it because I'm gonna run into some more stuff. All right, we got ourselves another freezer. Yes, we do. And we still got room. Freezer and an air sonic. That's what it used to be called, right? Air sonic? I don't remember, but I think so. All right, let's get this bad boy in there. Let's click the cord. Cord has been clipped. Heavy bugger. Oof. All right. Let's put it in here. There we go. All right, let's get our air sonic. Cord. And we'll tie all this baby up. Let's put this over here. Right in here. It'll go in fine. Just right in there. There we go. Oof. What gym? We don't need to go to our old gym. We'll put it right in there, right here. There we go. Yeah, that'll work. All right, let's tie this off. All right, we have one of our favorites. Television. Heavy television. Oh my goodness. Real heavy television. Oof. All right, we got ourselves a TV. Yeah, it'll go right in there. Oof. They are heavy nowadays. I mean, they are heavy for the ones nowadays. There we go. Snuck it right in there. Oops. I just made that loose, didn't I? All right. There we go. That's all safe and sound. Yeah, they are heavy compared to what they are now. There's good stuff in there, so let's get it. All right, let's continue. Down the road we go. All right, we got another gift. There we go. Another beauty. There we go. Another beautiful. What do we have in recycling? Nothing. Pizza boxes don't go into recycling because they have oil. That's just plain garbage. All right, let's roll. Here we are. We got a break in the weather. It hasn't rained over here, so let's get all Betty Wade in and see what's going on here. All right, he's new. Let's just wait. All right, let's see what we got here. 3940? 3940 it is. All right, let's empty out old Betty. All right, that's one less. Go. I got you. All right, let's get in here. Let's do our thing. There you go. All right. All right. Oof. All right. Make sure we get our bungees. Here we go. This is the disaster right here. Oof.
Hey, are we getting cold now? You want me to wait for him?
I guess. All right, we are all done. Let's roll. All right, let's see what old Betty weighs out. What was it, 3920? 3460, I think. 3460. You too. All right, let's roll. All right, so we came in at 3940. 3460, 480 pounds at 30 bucks. All right, well, thank you for everything. Like I always say, thank you for everything that you do for us. Subscribers, viewers, doesn't matter. You help us all. So we'll see you on the next episode. Treasure Coast Scrapper.